howdy, it's the Boss Buddy, AA. I'm here to make your day, put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Save the planet, be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boss Buddy!
Phlox, it smells amazing, unlike your stinky socks. You can get it in a box. This plant is needed by your garden, just like the Rockets need James Harden. This plant can get a few feet tall, and with it the pollinators must brawl against the cultivars and non-native plants. What are cultivars, you might ask? Well, they are modified plants, and they are unknown to everyone as though they have a mask. Plant the native species straight, it will increase our pollinator friend survival rate. The cool thing about its name is that it gets a lot of fame. Every Phlox species scientific name starts with Phlox. It smells amazing, unlike your stinky socks. You can get it in a box. This plant is needed by your garden, just like the Rockets need James Harden. Phlox is the Greek word for flame. Why? I don't know. Ouch, I stabbed my toe. There are a number of Phlox species is 67. For the pollinators in your garden, it's like heaven. This plant can bloom pale blue, violet, pink, bright red or white, and it comes in varying heights. This plant is a magnet for butterflies, moths and native bees. It's a pretty sight when you plant multiple varieties of these. 70% of native bees are solitary and nest under the ground. Ooh! But our leaf blowers scorch the soil and kill them without a sound. Native bees are gentle creatures that don't put up a fight. They will die if they bite. Since they're single mamas who build a nest, raise their young out of your sight. Please, get out there and plant a Phlox. It smells amazing, unlike your stinky socks. It's so beautiful and you can get it in a box. This plant is needed by a garden, just like the Rockets need James Harden.